What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your horsepower and torque with the Screamin Eagle Stage 3 kit. Harley-Davidson has done the homework for you with the street compliant performance kit, which was designed and tested as a system by our performance experts. It features 4.155-inch big bore bolt-on cylinders, forged 10.9 to 1 high compression pistons and rings, the SE8-511 camshaft, and high capacity tappets. It also includes multi-layer coated head gaskets, cylinder base, and cam cover gaskets, as well as most necessary gaskets and seals. This Stage 3 kit delivers up to 15% more horsepower and 17% more torque compared to the original equipment's CVO engine configuration, and 5% power and 4% torque increase over a CVO ST engine configuration. Please note that the Stage 3 kit does not retain the original equipment variable valve timing function of your motorcycle. The significant increase in torque and power over stock may restore the sensation of riding solo when you're loaded down with a passenger and gear. On top of all the performance features, the black granite highlighted finish and Stage 3 timer cover medallion add a splash of style. The Screamin Eagle Stage 3 kit is 49 state US EPA compliant. Check the website to make sure this performance kit fits your motorcycle. For more information, head to harleydavidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.